HP one-stop solution for all your support needs. Looking for information and support for your HP product? HP's one-stop solution can help. By simply scanning our QR code, you'll find chat support, Service Center Locator, tutorials, help and how-tos, unboxing videos, drivers, warranty check and registration. You'll even find supplies and accessories are only a click away. Stop by to find all the one-stop solutions for all HP products in one convenient place. It's our pleasure to work with you in resolving your product-related issues. You can also log on to our HP digital support. Thank you for using our QR code.